what's up, guys?
Yeah.
Say what up? What are we doing today, Cam?
Fishing.
Huh?
Fishing.
What kind of fishing?
Jon Boat fishing.
Jon Boat fishing. There it is, guys. We're set. We got about an 8-mile adventure. About 8 miles, Cam?
What?
To 8 miles down the road, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little secret pond. Can't tell you where. Can we, Cam?
No.
Wouldn't be a secret then. And out, Ben. Ben, out. So we're gonna get on the road.
We're gonna get on the road. Hey guys, so we're on the road. And what are you guys doing today?
Cam, let's give them a little sneak peek of where we're at. Or should we? Okay, let's do it. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. This right here is a secret fishing hole, ain't it, Cam? We'll give you a little sneak peek as we go down through here. We got about 3 more miles.
We picked up people on the way.
Uh-oh.
Does this have nothing
Shaylee.
to do?
Betty. Chloe. Picked them up on the way. We actually ended up, hang on, Chloe. We actually ended up going a little farther. We're about 16 miles from the house now. But we're about there. Look behind us, guys, at the boat. Look what we're trying to get through to get to our secret hole. This is the first stop. We got about 3 more fishing holes we're gonna go to. But here's Chloe.
Okay. I spent the night at her house. Yeah. We start school tomorrow. That's sad. It is Monday. Saturday. No, I already started school. I've been here for like 3 weeks already. Oh my God. That's late. I got a Corbin. I'm scared because like they stole like them, like they're in the front. The seats appeared, so we're kind of just like in the back. Yeah, we're holding on to this. That's the only thing we really have to hold on. Then we have that. So I mean, if we fall back, I mean we land on the boat.
I don't think we will. I think we'll get ran over by the boat.
Okay, yeah, maybe that.
I don't know where the trail goes. You all?
No, he's lost us.
I'm not lost. It's just this is a big old ditch, and I can't remember which way to get through here. We made it. See that beautiful fishing secret hole right there? What do you think, Chloe? We gonna catch them?
I'm not going in.
Where's Cam? Where's Cam?
Right here.
Oh, there he is. Cam, how we gonna get down through here, man?
I'm
A little bit of a drop. Is that a snake, Cam, right there?
That's a play daddy. It's a dead one.
No, that's a limb.
I'm coming out.
Okay, here we go.
No,
I think that's a limb, ain't it, Chloe? I'm not stepping on that. Yeah, it's a limb. Okay, here we go. We're gonna back this thing down here some way.
No, we're not. No.
We're gonna have Chloe or somebody recording us on the way. Okay, here we go.
Okay, hello guys. We're kind of in the back. Cam's right in front of me. I don't know why he is.
Okay, Shayla, get in here. Come on, baby.
He's acting like he's the cool stuff today. No, he's really not.
Cam? He is the cool dude.
No, it don't. Now Daddy's about to scare the poop out of me. The door's open.
Look at Shayla. There you go.
The door came open. Okay, you ready, guys? The boat. Camden, hold on.
Guys, we can't go all the way down here side by side, but the trailer's going to drop off, so don't let it spook you. Oh, get on film. Hold it still. Hold it still, Chloe. The film. Yeah, we'll pull it one more time, and then we got it, okay?
No, Daddy, why did you do this?
The trailer's going to drop, but we're not dropping off there, okay? Don't let it scare you.
No, it's going to scare me. Goodness and Daddy!
Are we through the pond yet?
No.
Hey, what are you recording? You got it? Hey.
No,
Kim,
Daddy.
do not let me off the bluff. How far am I? How close am I, Kim?
You're really close.
Okay, we better stop right there. Okay.
Oh my gosh, he scared the poop out of me.
Okay.
Did you poop on
Oh
yourself?
gosh.
No.
Got the brakes on, I think.
Mm.
Hopefully.
Okay, we are struggling. He's going to pull the whole boat.
Come on down, Chloe, get us here.
Okay. Don't know how I'm supposed to do that, but can't move. Can I have the camera? Nope, I gotta go down there. Ah, sorry, Shay. She really wants to watch the screamer. I mean the vlog. We should do a live. Daddy, do you know how to do it? You know what I'm trying to do?
Oh, did you get it, Chloe?
No.
Oh, man.
Baby, you gotta put it in your pocket.
Okay, guys, the water level is really low. Let me tell you. Look at that. Boom. Look at here. We are in bad shape right now. Look at the bank.
Oh, this is the bank?
This is the home, guys. Okay, let's go.
I'm having trouble going down. Is my butt muddy?
Yep.
Yeah.
Here.
It looks like he peed.
Oh, man, this is something else. Oh, man.
You gotta come over there.
Make the water be slow.
Daddy, let's just fish like this.
No.
Yes. Ew. She's struggling. Ew.
Pour down here.
I'm
I'm not going to have me lift up. Okay?
Hold on a minute, I'm the strongest. Shoot. Get somebody hold this. No. I want to do
No,
it.
Chloe, don't get your shoes. Y'all stay up there. Me and Cam in. Got it. The quarters around there. Maybe just a little bit for us.
Ready? I'm gonna have to back on it. This is tough.
The trouble motor, guys. Here, Cam, pick up on your side right there.
We're gonna hit that tree right there.
Okay, we're good. We're good now.
We got one grown up and one kid. We got 4 kids and 1 grown up. Okay, guys, we're gonna push them out. 3, 2, 1. They just ran into a tree. Wow, that's so great.
You all pushed us into the tree.
No. No.
Man, look at some big fish. I can already see them.
Where? They might.
I'm just kidding. I know
They might have to actually drive over here, so I want to like do this. Like I might stand here and fish, but they're off. Bye, guys. I hope you wreck.
Bye, y'all small.
Sorry about that. Dad, what were you saying?
Sometimes she runs, sometimes she don't. More than once she left me on the side of the road.
Don't get copyrighted. I'm bored.
There you go. But there ain't nothing wrong with the radio.
Stop it. I'm bored. What do we do? Why did we come down here? Oh, now I have to go to the number 2. That's bad. So they have to say that. What do I do? Hold it. I can't. Okay, guys. We're gonna solve my problem real quick, and bye.
Okay, there you go.
Go.
Oh, okay, what happened?
Dang it, you fish! Do you have a net?
Oh. Damn. Boom, baby.
He's got good luck with that fishing. Why is it? Got one, Dad.
Got one? Buddy. Boom.
This is the same one.
Here you go. No, that's bigger. A little bigger. Where's all the crappie at is in here?
That's good. I don't know. My floaters. This on your head. Got one, Dad.
Got one? Gosh, dog. Get it, Cam, get it. There you go.
It's the same one.
I've not even made a cast yet. Shaylee, how are you doing?
I'm not gonna make you.
There you go, get it. Okay, go. Cam, Cam. You good?
Let me get you, fish. You haven't made a cast yet.
Cam, are you kidding me?
Open your mouth, fish.
Is it blinking red, Cam?
Yeah. Don't!
Are you kidding me, Cam?
No, I'm not.
Daggone. Oh, what the world's that,
I
man?
kind of want to trade seats.
Try what?
I kind of want to trade seats with Kam.
Trade seats. Here,
No.
hang on, Shaylee. Let's cast you over that way, too. Hang on,
Can I please have that one?
hang on.
This fish like me.
I missed it, Shaylee. Go. Jerk, Shaylee, it went under. Jerk, jerk. You got it, you got it, you got it. You got it. Oh, yeah.
Did you
Shaylee's got one, I think. Did it get off? Still on there, Shaylee? Oh, yeah. Boom.
Hit the boat.
Boom, there it is.
It won't let me reel.
That's okay. It just lives there. Look there. Boom.
Can I hold my own fish?
Yeah.
Got
Oh, you want it?
it.
There you go.
Ah! Is that under there?
Damn, they gotta be bigger fish here somewhere.
Oh, yeah, now. Say all. Say all. Here goes, it says all. It's saying all.
Oh, there you go. Out here. Oh, let's see. Oh, Shaylee, jerk, reel, 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 faster, faster.
Where's she at?
Ah, dang it, we missed it. It's okay. Yeah, good. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hey, you're tangled. You're tangled. Hang on. Hang on. Good job. Get it. There you go. Hang on, Shayla. I'll help you.
I made me.
Baby. Okay, here you go, Shayla. You want this reel? You want this real shit, Shayla? Shayla, you want this one? Huh?
No.
What the heck?
Came out nowhere.
Good job. Look, we got a double. We got a double.
It put
Here,
water
we
on
got our
it.
small for a picture right here. Hold them up, guys. Hold them up together. Hold them up together, guys. Cam, Cam, hold it up. Okay, say cheese. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Got it.
Oh my gosh. Get this out.
Hang on. Hang on. I'll get it. Hang on. Hang on.
Do you want a little
Okay.
beaver?
Ah.
Do you want a little beaver fish? Here's a little beaver.
Cam, we gotta find bigger ones, dude. Okay.
It's because you reel too slow.
Which
Cam in.
which pole you want there, Shaylee?
Go on.
Huh?
I just take that.
This little one? You got another one? Gosh, dog.
It looks so That's a tiny one. I
Okay.
hold that tiny one. It's bleeding. No.
Okay, here. Let's see. There's that, Shaylee. Give it to me. Y'all are full-time job keeping it up here.
What?
Catching so many fish. I'm gonna put that in my fish tank.
What?
That little.
I catched a lot of fish.
Look at the. Whoa! Oh!
That's a crappie.
That's a crappie.
I caught a crappie.
Nice. Here, let me take your picture. Oh. Okay, small. Say cheese. Here we go.
I want to send that to my mommy.
Okay, I will.
Oh my god. Maybe because they can't see the floater. It's because it's so small. Because it's blind. Ooh. If it has a big mouth, I can sure hold it.
You know, Ted, there's some 10-pound catfish I put in there probably 30 years ago.
That's 30 years. Yeah, it has been 30 years, ain't it?
Well, Wait, is that really crappie?
That's what I'm trolling for on this big red pole.
I was really my hard
Yeah.
guess and I got one.
Man. Let's see here. I don't know how in the world you hooked that one. But you got her.
Usually, the fishing poles are too little to get a catfish. I got a crappie here too. Can I hold that?
Ah!
You dropped the worm.
I'm sorry, Shaylee. Sorry.
Come on, Dad.
Nice, buddy, nice. They're getting a little bigger. Shaylee, Shaylee, Shaylee. You gotta, hey, jerk, baby, jerk. Don't reel, just jerk it.
What?
Who's ready? Slow release, watch this. Mom, here we go.
Dad, catch one.
You got one?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Keep it up.
Don't get one of these fish. How many
Okay.
fish had I caught, Dad?
Caught quite a few, ain't we?
Probably 50.
Okay. Nice.
Sally said probably 50. What color? What the heck, Dad?
I caught one. Y'all let me catch one. Finally. Oh. Go. Oh. Shaylee. Hang on, don't.
If we move one bit over there, I know my reel is gonna break.
Cam.
God darn it.
Good job, good job. Boom.
I wanna. Okay. Maybe I got one. Can I touch it?
There you go. Give it to me and I'll unhook it and.
Maybe his worms are the best.
You're using the same worm. You want to throw it in?
Yeah. No, I want it. I want it. Stop, Jeff. Stop.
There you go.
Why? Come on.
Cam, got it?
Why do I keep? Oh God, Maddie! Oh Lord! Oh Lord! What the hell?
Cam! Boom! Boom! You want to take your picture with this one? Hang on, Shaylee. Here, get it over to you.
Is that a crappie?
Yeah, here. Hold the line.
Crappie.
Let some line out, buddy. There you go. Here.
I tangled mine up.
There you
again.
go. Yeah.
I don't want my tangled up.
Hang on, I'll get it. Hang on. Okay, say cheers. Hang on, say cheers.
Move, Kam and I. I'm trying to catch fish.
There you go. Boom. Cam!
Oh, crappie! Okay, let's go. Scoot over to your spot.
Okay, here we go. Nice.
Come on, Dad.
Good job. Another crappie?
Yeah. Another one. I should have got that one. Another one, Dad.
Nice. Let's get it off here. Hang on.
No. Stole it.
Got it?
I stole it. I stole it. Throw it back to mine and it'll get mine.
Here you go, Cam.
Throw that one back.
Hang on. Whoa. You got it? Do you have it? Oh, never mind.
It's touching me.
Good job.
It was touching me.
There you go. Good job. Yeah, there you go.
Got the little one. Got the one.
Go, Cam, go. There you go, Shake.
I just do this.
Yeah, you can do that. Heck.
They're both fishing
Hit a bite? What the heck? Oh. There you go.
Come on.
Good job. Good job.
That's kind of easy.
She said that's kind of easy. That one is.
You just go.
Here we go.
There's 3 children.
Yeah, right here, Shay. Other side. What? What the heck?
What you do? What? No.
Boom.
I go this way. I keep on catching one, Dad.
You're gonna cast where the structure is.
You got water on my belly. I can't see where the slot.
The log. You see the log over here? See the log in the water? See the tree limbs?
Yeah.
Got it. Got it. I be son of a gun.
I had to stand up. Really?
Good job, Shaylee. Good job.
Catch one?
Mm-hmm. Go link. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hard bump.
Okay.
Pull me on up there, Cam. Perfect. Right there. Oh.
I'm getting in the back. Hi, I'm riding in the back.
Whew. Watch out. Huh?
We put all that in our pond. That would be
Honey, we don't
great.
want to take from one pond to the other.
What?
We don't want to take from this pond.
What?
Gosh, it ain't. Whew. Okay, Cam, give him a post review. Here, talk to him.
Pond was good. I got 1 big fish. I got tiny fishes, and it was all right.
Perfect.
And I got 1 bass, 5 crappies, and 5 little fish, and 5 yellowfish.
Perfect. So, did y'all have fun at this place?
Yeah.
Ready for the next place?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if we can pull out of here. Yeah, okay. Here we go.
Okay, guys, that is Sunday.
Ready to
Let's see how this goes.
You got the board?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's good.
Now we're out. We're going to the next spot.
We're out. We're going to the next spot, guys. Bye.